Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello dear students, this is Rajan Kumar, your math teacher. In previous lecture, we have solved exercise 1.2. Now in today's lecture, we will discuss about estimation. In estimation, first we will see estimating to the nearest tens by rounding off. इसमें हम लोग कोई नंबर जो होता है, ठीक है, उसको नियरेस्ट टेंस तक क्या करेंगे, राउंडिंग ऑफ करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, now you have to remember first thing, and that is numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 are near to 0. Okay students, then 10. So we round off 1, 2, 3 and 4 as 0. इसमें आपसे ये बोला गया है कि कोई भी नंबर अगर आपको दिया है और उसमें वंस प्लेस पे अगर आपको नियरेस्ट टेंस तक उसको राउंड ऑफ करना है और उसका वंस डिजिट अगर 1, 2, 3 और 4 दिया है तो उसको हमें क्या करना है, 10 के बजाय 0 करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ आपके लिए कुछ एग्जांपल्स मैं लेके चलता हूं. फॉर एग्जांपल, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 12. ओके, व्हेन वी राउंड ऑफ 12 नियरेस्ट टू टेंस, व्हाट वी विल सी इज वंस डिजिट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, okay, now it is 2. okay, here is 2, so we will round off it as 0. Now another way, 12 is between 10 and 20. Now you can clearly see that 12 is nearer to 10. Okay students, now we will round it off as 10. Okay, now another example here, example 2, 74. First of all, see it ones place digit, and that is 4. That's why we will round it off as 0. Okay, remember that, don't do any change in tens digit. Okay students, so now another way, write 74. okay, now in which two digits it comes in between place. okay, now you know that it comes between 70 and 80. okay students, now you can clearly see that it is nearer to 70. okay students, so I'll round it off 74. okay, as in 70. okay, this is the nearest tens value. okay students, now another example, question 3, 93. okay students, now 93, you can clearly see that it's ones place, it is 3. okay, so we will count it off as 0. why? Because 93 comes in between 90 and 100. okay students, so you can clearly see that 93 is nearer to 90. so I'll round off 93 as 90. okay students, you have to remember this first thing. Now suppose that if the ones place digit is greater than 5, and that is 6, 7, 8, 9, then what will we have to do? Let's see. okay students, now another point, if numbers 6, 7, 8, 9 are nearer to 10, then so we round them off as 10. Okay students, यहाँ पर आपसे बोला गया है कि अगर किसी नंबर में फर्स्ट डिजिट 6, 7, 8, 9 हो तो हम जानते हैं वह किसके नियर होता है, 10 के नियर होता है। तो जब हम उन सबको राउंड ऑफ करेंगे तब हम उनसे कितना राउंड ऑफ करेंगे, 10। यहाँ पर कुछ एग्जांपल्स जो है हमको दिए हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ इन फर्स्ट एग्जांपल यू हैव गिवन 16। ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ यू कैन क्लियरली सी दैट 16 comes in between 10 and 20. Now you can clearly see that 16 is nearer to 20. Okay students, now another way, so we will round it off as 20. Okay students, it is our answer. Now another way, that is we will see ones place digit. Okay students, now it is 6, that is nearer to 10. Then what we will do, we will add 1 in the tens place digit. Okay, here it will become 20. How we know 6 is nearer to 10? Okay, now I will add 1 to the tens place digit, and that is 1. That is 1. Okay students, now it will become 2 and the digit at ones place will become 0. Here you can see digit at ones place become 0. Okay students, and digit at tens place become 2 by adding 1 to this digit. Okay, now here second example 39. You can clearly see that digit at ones place, that is 9, is nearer to 10, so I'll round it off as 10, so it will become 40. Okay, how you can clearly see that 39 comes between 40 and 30. Okay students, now you can clearly see that 39 is nearer to 40, so our answer will be 40. Okay, now another way, according to question 1, you can clearly see that digit at ones place is 9, that is nearer to 10. Okay, so I will make it 0 and add 1 to the tens place digit, and it will become 4. How? 1 and tens place digit is 3. Okay, I'll add them, it will become 4. Okay, so I'll write 4 at a tens place digit and max 0 to 9, so it is rounded off to 40. Okay, in question 3 number is given to us is 78. Okay, we will round it off nearest to 10. First of all, see the digit at ones place, that is 8, and 8 is near to 10, so I will round it off as 10. Means what? I will add 1 to 7. Okay, so then it will become 8. Okay students, now it becomes 0. Okay, how? According to these two questions, we have seen that. Let's see, 78 is nearer to, is between 70 to 80. Now you can clearly see that 70 is nearer to 80, so rounded off number becomes 80. Okay, now in question 4, 67. See the digit at ones place, that is 7. Okay, now 7 is nearer to 10, so we will round it off as 10. Okay students, then it will become 70. How? Because it is rounded of 10. Okay. Now we will add 1 to 6. Okay, it will become 7 and this 7 becomes 0. How? Yes, 67 comes in between 60 and 70. Now you can clearly see that 67 is nearer to 70. So the required rounded off number is 70. Students, now we'll see third point. That is, we have to remember number 5 is equidistant from both 0 and 10. It is a common practice to round is off as 10. Okay स्टूडेंट, आपको बोला गया है कि नंबर 5 जो है वह 0 और 10 दोनों से क्या होता है, इक्वल डिस्टेंस से होता है. लेट्स सी 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now 6 7 8 9 10. Okay students, let's see the distance of 5 from 0 and 10. Let's see, we'll count. This is our 5. Let's measure the distance. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, distance is 5. Now measure the distance of 5 up to 10. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, distance is 5. So we will round it off as 10. For example, first 15. Okay, you can clearly see that 15 comes between 10 and 20. Okay students, now you can round it off as 20. Why? Because it is nearer to 20, but it is also nearer to 10 because the distance is equal, but we will round it off as higher value. Okay, so it will round it off as 20. So our answer will be 20. Remember this thing, always when the one digit of any number is 5, we will round it off as 10. Means what? We will put 0 in place of 5, okay, and add 1 to the 10th place digit. Okay, here your 5 becomes 0 and we will plus 1. We will plus 1 to the 10th place digit. That is 1, so it will become 2. So we will write 2 0. Okay, this is the rounded off number of 15 up to 10s. Okay students, now another example 45. You know 45 is between 40 and 50. Now it will rounded it off as 50. So our answer will be 50. Okay students, now another way you can clearly see that the ones place of this number digit is 5. Okay, so we will round it off as 0 and add 1 to its 10th place digit. We will add 1 to 4, it will become 5. This is the required rounded off number. Okay students.